guys, welcome back again. Clearly, as you can see, today we're going to be looking at the New Balance collaboration with Miu Miu. Let me give you a backstory of this right before we step in, right? As soon as this was out, I had a lot of guys asking me if I had seen any of these from my suppliers. I wasn't too sure if I wanted to source them because I wasn't too sure about the style, if you understand what I mean. But after some time, I decided to try out for them. And now we have them right here. And let's get to see what's in it together. And let's unbox together. Let's see what we have here. On the side here, you're going to find every information about the sneakers. The sizes, the color, the style, all the information about everything inside this box. As you all see, each pair has a tote bag, which is very thoughtful, because with these you could always preserve this away from dust, and as well as use this to carry your item when you want to travel. So let's quickly see what came in with this box. We have this paper slip. I didn't bother looking at what's inside of all this, but we do have another one. I think these are all the paper stuffs that comes with all the luxury items, just as you always pick them up from the store or wherever. And yes, there were quite a bunch of them, like just another one. So definitely you're gonna feel like you just have it, the main thing. That's what I love about the suppliers. Going back to the pair of the shoes, each one has a dust bag, which happens to be good quality. So let's see what we have here. Taking the shoe out of the dust bag, I saw that this tag of StockX jumped out of the dust bag, and immediately I was caught by the attention of the shoe. I want to tell you that the shoe is just everything that means a lot to anybody who likes comfort. This is beautiful. This is the New Balance collaboration with Miu Miu, the 530s. This looks just perfect. I mean, you just grab the contentment by just looking at it. You can feel it. You can feel the softness on your foot. I'm obsessed. I don't know what I'm gonna say to make you get convinced about getting this, but if you're not, look at the suede details. Who ever thought that you could make suede with net mesh-like material? I don't know, there's just something about the Miu Miu brand. They always get things done perfectly well. The material feels so soft. They are fairly wide, not so narrow. I definitely think this is gonna fit so well on all foot type. I actually took a size up on this one, but I'm gonna say you should take your normal size because of how soft this material is made. I feel like you're just gonna be good with you on the size. This 530 is really giving the 530 styles. I really love this. The sole is in that thick, which actually gives it that blue profile. It's flexible. This is really a gorgeous shoe that's gonna be good for any day fit or any day style. And on the other pair, we have this blue lace, which I think it happens to be the highlight of this release. Definitely, because having to mismatch them is just taking you back that 530 style. I really love this and I'm obsessed. I can't wait for you all to see the look on feet. So this is exactly how the shoes are gonna look together. They are super comfortable and I'm so happy with them. I know you're gonna be happy as well when you get yours, and you're gonna get a lot of wear out of them. If you like me who likes wearing flats, I know that these are gonna be sneakers that you're gonna wear for years to come. I mean, I would also recommend this to everybody in the medical field who are standing on long hours, or do you do any job that makes you stand for long hours? Get this. They are so beautiful, they're very, very classy, and they will go with everything you have in your wardrobe. Please don't say I didn't put you on. I'm telling you right now, this is gonna be the bomb. Also, under the tongue, we have this information right there and even the sizing. And inside of the sole, we have the New Balance and Miu Miu written there, as well as here. We also have the New Balance right here as well. And we have the 530 written here as well. And at the back as well, we have New Balance written there. So as you can see, everything is rightly placed on this pair. If you have any questions about the shoe, do let me know. Every information you will need on purchasing this would be in the description below. And also, know that you can always contact me with any details in my description about anything. You're going to find every detail to contact me in the description. All my social media platform. Please contact me if you have any question, any inquiry, however you want to purchase these, please let me know. So let's look at a closer look of this pair of shoe, and as well as looking at this on feet, so you see how perfectly they look